For you to fix a JV, the first thing you need is a SIM card. I'm using MTN, so we have our SIM card and the locked phone. You can also send me your phone's INI so that I'll check your phone carrier for you for free, so that you'll be able to fix your JV. So in this case, I've already checked my phone's carrier and my phone is locked to US T-Mobile. So for you to know your phone is SIM locked, you have to go to the phone settings, general, and go to about. And you scroll down to carrier lock. And you see it says SIM lock. So this actually means that your phone is SIM locked. So let's move to fixing the JV. With the MKSD and the MKSD Ultra, you have the SIM injector inside the case, so you don't have to go and find the SIM injector. So this is the place where some people find it difficult. Look at the JV very well. You see the way it's shaped. It's shaped like the SIM card itself. You see the SIM tray also has the same shape. So you just put the JV first inside the SIM tray like this. Then you put the SIM card on top like this. Then we are set. So after that, you insert it into your locked phone. So in this case, my SIM is a little big, so I will remove the pin, then a little paper on top of the JV for it to be a little flatter, so that I can put the JV on it without having to stress myself. This is what will come. Activation required. Enter your phone passcode. So after entering your phone passcode, you search for your carrier, your phone's carrier. In this case, my phone is T-Mobile. So I'll click on T-Mobile. Choose TMSI Auto. Then you click Accept. So you wait for the phone to activate itself. Don't connect the network, don't connect Wi-Fi, don't press anything. Just wait for the phone to activate on it. Now we should wait for the network. See? So now the network is showing everything. Okay. So let's check whether data will be working. So FaceTime and iMessage, okay. The data is on, but it's not showing. So this is one of the problems the customers face after fixing the JV. So it's something very simple. Just go back, go to settings, then you go to cellular.